lower and upper bands dealing with nearest to decimal place. Examples. Given that 0.84 is expressed to 2 decimal place. A. Find the lower and upper bands of the actual value. B. State the range of values of the inequality describing the actual value. Solution. Now, we can see from here we are dealing with 2 decimal place, and 0.84 is a number already expressed in 2 decimal place. Then we deal with the last number. The last figure here is what? 4. And what is the place value of 4 here? You know, this represents tenths. This one is tenths. Why? This is what? Hundreds. Hundreds. That's 400. That's the place value of 4 here. So since we are dealing with 100, and 100 represent what? 1 divided by 100. And what is 1 divided by 100 in decimal? 0.01. Now, we can now calculate our error. The error is going to be equals to plus or minus, what do we have here? 0.01 divided by 2. And this will give us what? Plus or minus 0.005. That's what we are going to have. So in this case, since we have error like this, so the next thing for us to do is to get our lower band. So lower band is going to be equal to what? That is 0.84 minus 0.005. So we subtract this from 0.84. And normally, if you want to subtract this, we can have 0.84, then we add 0. How many 0 do we need? We just need one more 0 to it. Then we take away 0.005. Then subtracting from the back, what do we have? From here, we need to carry, because to take away 5 from 0, we need to borrow 1 from here. It will remain 3, then we have 1. So this is going to be what? 10 minus 5. What are we having? That is 5. Then 3 minus 0. We have 3, then we have 8. We have 0.835 as the answer. So it means that the lower band is what? 0.835. Now we need to calculate the upper band. For the upper band, what do? We have 0.84 plus 0.005. So it means that the answer will be what? We can easily add this. So that would be 0.845. That is the upper band. We have answered the first part of the problem. So for the second part, state the range of values of the inequality describing the actual value. So what would that be? We know that for the range of value, that's S subscript B less than or equal to A less than U subscript B. We know that A represents what? A represents actual value. Actual value. Actual value. Now, the range will now be what? What is the lower bound? 0.835. Then less than equals to A less than 0.845. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.